Hello, hello! How are you today? Today we're going to study another English class. Today we're going to study the topic have. We are going to study food vocabulary. Let's start. What do you have in your lunchbox? ¿Qué tienes en tu lonchera? I have an apple, a sandwich, and an orange juice. Tengo una manzana, un sándwich y un jugo de naranja. Okay? I have an apple, a sandwich, and an orange juice. Okay, let's study another example. What do you have in your lunchbox? Do you have pizza? No, I don't. I have a hamburger, French fries, and water. I have a hamburger, French fries, and water. Good. What do you have in your lunchbox? Do you have a sandwich? No, I don't. I have a hot dog, a banana, and milk. I have a hot dog, a banana, and milk. Very good. What do you have in your lunchbox? Do you have pizza? No, I don't. I have a pupusa, cookies, and juice. I have a pupusa, cookies, and juice. Okay. Let's work on our book. Read and draw. The activity number 3 says read and draw. Lea y dibuje. Okay, what about the girl? I have a hamburger, carrots, an apple, and water. What do you have in your lunchbox? The boy says, I have a sandwich, an orange, and 2 cookies and juice. Okay, what do you have to do? ¿Qué tiene que hacer? You are going to draw, okay, for example, in the lunch and the girl's lunchbox, so you are going to draw a hamburger, carrots, an apple, and water. In the boy's lunchbox, you are going to draw a sandwich, an orange, 2 cookies, and juice. Excellent. Let's go to page 98. Okay, the activity number 1 says, listen and color the letters, then complete the sentence. So we are going to listen. What color are we going to color the letters? Vamos a escuchar de qué color vamos a colorear cada letra. Let's begin.
Track 87. 1. Color the A's blue. 2. Color the D's red. 3. Color the E's brown. 4. Color the F's orange. 5. Color the G's green. 6. Color the I's black.
Okay, let's repeat. So you are going to color the A's blue, okay? All the A's blue, todas las A azules. Okay, color the D's red. The D color red, todas las D red. Color the E brown. The E, brown. Last A, brown. Color the F, oranges. The F, oranges. Okay? Color the F, orange. Last F, orange. Color the G's, green. The G, green. Coloré las G, green. And 6, color the L's, black. The I's, black. Todas las E, black. And then you are going to write, this is a lunch box. Very good. So you have to complete. Let's listen. The activity number 2 says, listen and stick.
Track 88. 1. Matt has a hot dog. An orange. Carrots. And milk. 2. Kelly has a hamburger, a banana, carrots, and water. 3. Steve has a sandwich, an apple, 2 cookies, and juice. 4. Megan has a sandwich, an orange, cake, and juice.
Okay, I'm going to repeat for you. Matt, okay, Matt, you are going to stick, has a hot dog, paste the hot dog, an orange, carrots, and milk. Let's see with Kelly. Kelly has a hamburger, a banana, carrots, and water. Let's see what does Steve have. Steve has a sandwich, an apple, 2 cookies, and water. Megan has a sandwich, an orange, cake, and juice. Okay, let's go to the activity. Listen and write the name. Escuche y escriba los nombres.
1. She has a hamburger and a banana. She doesn't have an apple. What's her name? 2. He has a sandwich and 2 cookies. He doesn't have milk. What's his name? 3. She has a sandwich and cake. She doesn't have water. What's her name? 4. He has a hot dog and carrots. He doesn't have cookies. What's his name?
Okay, let's. Number 1, who is she? Okay, number 1, she has a hamburger and a banana. She doesn't have an apple. What's her name? Kelly. Very good. So you have to write Kelly. Let's see number 2. He has a sandwich, 2 cookies. He doesn't have milk. What's her name? Her name is Steve. Very good. So you have to write his name. Number 3. She has a sandwich and cake. She doesn't have water. What's her name? She's Megan. Number 4. He has a hot dog and carrot. He doesn't have cookie. What's her name? Her name is Matt. Very good. Let's see with page 99. It says look and trace. Mire y trace. Okay? This is a chocolate pudding, milk, chocolate cookies, and gummy worms. Read and complete. Crush the. Vamos a escribir. Vamos a completar. Chocolate cookies. Okay. Measure the milk. Mix the milk and pudding. Put the cookies and the pudding in a cup on the top. Put the worms, refrigerate and eat it. Let's listen and check.
Track 90. Let's make dirt. 1. Crush the cookies. 2. Measure the milk. 3. Mix the milk and the pudding. 4. Put the cookies and the pudding in a cup. 5. Put the worms on top. 6. Refrigerate and eat it.
Okay. Let's work with the book. Answer. What is it? It's a sandwich. What are they? Little beans. What are they? What is it? It's a salad. Read and draw the missing food. Okay? You have to read and you have to draw the missing food. Tiene que leer y dibujar la comida que falta. Look and stick. Vea y pegue. Read and match. Lea y una. Okay, you have to match. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.